Hello, hi, and welcome to my channel. And I hope that everyone is doing well today. And thank you so much to those of you that are subscribing, and to all my subscribers. I really am honored to really be able to share this information with you. And I think it's important that we look at all the different things that we have to deal with in business in particular. And what I want to share with you today is, imagine that, the worst case scenario happens. You are a company director, but you're also a company director with multiple other directors. What do you think would happen to your shares in your business? Do you think it will go to your loved ones, or do you think it will go to your remaining directors within your business? Would you like all the hard work that you put into your business to go to your directors and not to your loved ones? Well, I would love for you to watch this video to the end, because I want to share some important information with you. And it is so important that we are aware of what we need to do to be responsible as a director. So this video is about why directors must have a will to protect their shares and their family legacy. Now, I'm Christine Crowell, and I'm a business recovery expert with over 35 years experience in helping business leaders like you protect your company and to grow your business. I specialize in healthcare, but I also do help other business owners as well. But I just don't say that enough, but I actually do. And today I think it's important, especially with the budget that happened October the 30th, 2024. I think we need to look at, as directors, to make sure that we are looking at all of our business operations, but also looking at ourselves as well as directors, to ensure that we're not only protecting the company, but also protecting you, the directors, as well as your staff members, of course. So in today's video, I'm going to be discussing a really critical topic: why directors must have a will, and their shares are to be distributed to their loved ones, their families, not just left to the remaining directors. Now, imagine this just for a second, that, first of all, who am I? Okay, I've been a will writer. I've been a will writer for my own company in Sussex, in Brighton, but I've also been a will writer for various organizations, law firms across the UK, and that is whereby I've helped to write wills, trust, lasting power of attorneys, as well as doing lease extensions under the guidance of a law firm. I am qualified to actually write wills in the UK, but as well as in Spain, for example. Every country outside of the EU, there's different laws. So I just wanted to explain that. And I think it's something really important that directors, we do forget to do a will, but to do a will that it reflective around your business and what you want to happen in that, as well as you may have properties in other parts around the world. You need to make sure that you've got a will that covers that location as well, so that you are protected and that your loved ones haven't got to be the ones trying to deal with all of this during a very stressful time, which could then take years to be released. So I'm going to talk to you today about, imagine all the hard work, the time that you've invested, that you built a legacy. But did you know that without a will, your shares might not automatically go to your family? Instead, they could go to a default, which is the remaining directors in the company or the shareholders. depending on your company's article of association. So directors, please read your article of association as well. So the reasons why you should have a will. The first one is family protection. A will ensures that your shares go to your family members that, you've worked so hard for this, so why should it not? To provide them with security. Without it, your family could lose financial benefits, leading to unnecessary stress. Even if you was to lose the mental capacity, you should have a lasting power of attorney for in the case that you become incapacitated or you lose the mental capacity, then there needs to be someone that can act on your behalf. For example, from the family's point of view, knowing what your wishes would, what you would like your wishes to be, for example. Now, you can decide who inherits your shares, okay? And this will protect your legacy from being diluted or controlled by the remaining directors who may have different priorities. You don't want them arguing about your shares and then there's going to be an imbalance, for example. You want to avoid the conflict. Without a clear will, for example, disputes can arise between family members and the directors, and this can damage relationships and even impact the business that you very set out to do. Also, you want to ensure business continuity. A will ensures the smooth transition, for example, avoiding delays that can disrupt the company's operations. Now, I want to really speak to you here. Imagine that you've worked so tirelessly to build your business only to find that your shares end up in the hands of someone that you didn't want it to go to. This happens more often than you think. And when directors do proper arrangements, this is what can happen. Now, a will is not just about wealth. It's about your values. It's about ensuring your family continues to benefit from the legacy that you've built. I.e., maybe they decide that maybe you've decided, I will sell my shares and my money then goes to my family. Or the shares will go to certain members in the family and then they will obviously have a say in your business, what happens in your business, for example. Now, you can do some steps to protect your shares. You want to create a will. Use a qualified solicitor or even a will writer who is qualified to write a will for you. Make sure that you will clearly state how your shares should be distributed. Please, directors, today review your company's articles of association. Check for any pre-exemption rights or restrictions or share transfers. Communicate with your family members and co-directors. Tell them what you want. Be transparent. Avoid any misunderstanding down the line. You want to be clear now so that they know what you want and have it recorded as well. Regularly update your will. If there's any changes, you need to update it. As your business and family circumstances change, you should also change your will. Now, my closing statement to you is don't leave it to the family future and your legacy to chance. Don't leave that to chance. Protect what you've built by having a clear and legally binding will. And also, if you need guidance on safeguarding your business and personal assets, I'm also here to help you. Let me ensure that the hard work continues to provide for the people that you love. I can put you in touch with solicitors for certain things as well, but I have been a will writer. I've written wills and trusts. I've helped with lasting power of attorneys. I've also helped with extension leases with a law firm, for example. So if this is something that you possibly feel that you'd like to discuss further about your business protection and your business recovery, if you need more help, then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Do like this video if you found it helpful for you. Tell me what it is that you've liked about the video. Did you think that you needed to do a will? Have you ever done a will, for example, as a director? So do like and subscribe to the CEO Woman Entrepreneur channel here so that you can get further updates and insights. Do click the link here, book a free 15-minute discussion with me so I can talk to you about how you can protect your business and your family's finances, and I can put you in the right directions of the correct organizations, for example, that can help you. And contact me today if you need to have a free consultation. So thank you so much. I will be doing some more videos today, but I just thought I would mention this because it is something that people don't even think about, that directors, you don't even think about this, and it's something so important. We never know what tomorrow holds. We never know that. So why not protect yourself now? You want to protect your business, you're doing business recovery, you're preparing for April 2025, you need to prepare for this as well. So I hope that you've enjoyed today. Thank you for listening, and I will see you on the internet. Thank you.